Looking for a compact impact wrench that packs a surprising punch? Stick around because while the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby half-inch kit has earned rave reviews, there's one detail you might want to know before buying. The Milwaukee M12 Stubby kit stands out as one of the smallest yet most powerful cordless impact wrenches in its category. Measuring just 4.9 inches, this tool is designed for tight spaces while offering the kind of performance usually associated with much larger models. Its ergonomic design features a textured overmolded grip, ensuring a secure hold even during prolonged use or while wearing gloves. The tool's powerhouse is a brushless power-state motor that delivers up to 550 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, perfect for stubborn bolts and automotive applications. Whether you're working on lug nuts or tackling maintenance, this impact tool can handle tasks often reserved for mid-torque models. Plus, its 4-mode drive control ensures you have precision on every job, and the auto shutoff mode prevents over-fastening for added control. At $350 for the full kit, including 2 batteries, it offers excellent value for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. If you're already invested in Milwaukee's M12 ecosystem, this is a seamless addition to your toolkit. For the latest details, check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of the Milwaukee Stubby kit? The cons: battery limitation. M18 users may need M12 batteries. Not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Less powerful than larger models. The pros: compact, 4.9 inches, great for tight spaces. High torque, 550 foot-pounds, comparable to bigger models. Lightweight, 2.2 pounds, reduces fatigue. Advanced controls, 4 modes with auto shutoff. Durable, 5-year warranty for professionals. For a compact yet powerful tool to add to your arsenal, the Milwaukee M12 Stubby kit delivers impressive performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals.